like the key back soon. In today's story, I feel fine, but let's learn some new words if I can survive out of this situation. So keep watching until the end.
Will she survive the morning?
Let's see. Red for Jake, blue for June.
Hey, honey, morning. Did you open the kitchen window? The house was getting really stuffy last night.
Yes, Mark. The windows are open to let in the fresh air.
Good. Are they properly ventilated?
Ventilated?
Open to let fresh air in, silly.
Haha, yes. They are very open, Mr. Science. Uh-oh, the wind is really picking up, though. Let me close this real quick. We'll call you back later, honey. Oh my goodness, the kid's toast! Phew, that toaster is gonna give me a heart attack one of these days. Jake, June, let's go, time is ticking!
I'm ready, Mom. I have my math homework.
Good boy. Now please, chew fast and do not dawdle.
Dawdle?
It means don't move too slow. Now hurry up, buddy.
The yellow bus is here. I see it.
Oh no, hold on. My sweater is stuck on the spindle. Never mind. I'll just leave it. I'm only going to the porch. Bye, kids. Have a great day. Be good.
Bye, Mom.
Love you.
Peace and quiet. I love them, but phew, mornings are a lot. Oh, the garbage truck already came. I should pull that bin inside before it blows over.
Morning, Lisa. It's a bit chilly out here today, isn't it?
Oh, hi, Mr. Henderson. Hi, Buster. Yes, there is a real bite in the air this morning.
You are out here without a jacket. You'll catch a cold in this awful wind.
I know. I just stepped out for 1 second to wave at the school bus.
Well, Buster here has a thick fur coat, and even he's shivering.
Aw, he is such a sweet boy. Aren't you, Buster?
Don't let him fool you. He just wants whatever you had for breakfast.
Ha! Well, I left the toast inside. I'm just grabbing this trash bin.
All right, then. Better get back inside where it's nice and warm.
I will. Have a good walk, Mr. Henderson.
Take care, Lisa. Let's go, Buster.
Bye, guys. Stay warm out there. Okay, let's roll this heavy bin up the driveway. The garage door is completely closed. That is totally fine. I will just walk right back through the front door. Then I can easily press the garage button from the inside hallway. Wait. No, please. Please, open. Come on, open. It is locked. It is really, truly locked. Brr. Okay, don't panic. Think, Lisa, think. Aha, the kitchen window. I left it open. Phew, I am so smart. I am a genius, Mom. Disaster averted. Hey, no! Little guy, don't touch that. Shoo! I mean it. Back away from the smartphone. No! My phone, my only connection to the outside world. It is right there. Well, this is exceptionally bad. Hey guys, real quick, if you want to know what ventilated and dawdle mean, stick around till the end for the vocabulary recap. Right now, I have to figure out how to break into my own house. Okay, I can still get in. I just need a boost to reach the ledge. The old garden chair. Why is this thing so heavy? It's just plastic. Perfect. Just a quick hop up. Bruh, so cold. Okay, up we go. Almost. Just a little higher. Ah! Oof. Ow, my pride hurts way more than my back right now. This house is a fortress. It literally wants to keep me out. I spend all day cleaning you, and this is how you repay me? A person! Help! Sir, please, over here! Hey, excuse me, I am stranded!
Stranded?
Stuck outside with nowhere to go!
Oh, cool, man.
No, wait! I need to borrow a phone! Uh-oh! Whoa, pooh, that was close.
All right, next stop.
He is gone. Okay, maybe the sliding glass door is unlocked. Sometimes Mark forgets. Nope, locked tight. Oh no! The milk! I left the milk carton sitting out on the table. It is going to get warm. It is going to turn completely sour. The house is going to smell terrible. The kids will come home to a cold, dark, smelly house with sour milk. I am a bad mom. How can I take care of my family if I can't even stay inside my own house? Bruh, I am so alone. I feel so defeated right now. Stick around till the end for the vocabulary recap, assuming I survive this freezing wind.
Lisa, is that you crying, dear?
Miss Gable?
What on earth are you doing sitting in the dirt, child?
I'm locked out, Miss Gable. I've tried everything. I'm so cold.
Come, now! No one should be alone in this wind. Let's get you inside.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Gable. Oh, it is so warm in here. It smells like cinnamon and apples.
Here you go, dear. Sit down on the sofa.
This smells like clean laundry. It is amazing.
Drink this tea. You need sanctuary.
Sanctuary?
A safe and warm place, my dear.
Yes, this is exactly what I needed. Thank you.
You know, Lisa, the people who lived in your house before you were very clever folks.
They were?
Yes, they always hid a spare key outside. There's a fake rock near your front porch.
A fake rock?
Yes! Have you ever checked it?
I think I've seen it. When I was weeding the front garden last summer. Come on, show me.
All right. Hold your horses. I'm coming.
Where is it? I know it's here.
Look behind the ferns, dear. They were very meticulous.
Meticulous?
They paid close attention to small details.
Oh, got it. Yes, I'm saved. I'm going back inside. Okay, give me the key, you beautiful little rock. Wait, there is no key in here.
Oh my, really? It's empty?
Just this tiny piece of paper. Let's see what this says. Took the spare key to the hardware store to get a copy made. Be back soon. Love, Mark.
Oh dear.
Of course he did.
Oh goodness me, you can't make this up.
I can't believe this. My husband, the master of timing.
Well, at least we know Mark is being responsible with home security.
You know what, Miss Gable? You are absolutely right.
Come on back inside. The tea is getting cold and I have cookies.
Let's go. Let the milk go sour. I don't care. So then, Jake just flat out refuses to eat his vegetables.
My son was the exact same way at that age. You just have to puree the carrots and hide them in the spaghetti sauce. They never know.
That is brilliant. I am definitely stealing that trick tonight.
Parenting is just one long game of hide and seek, dear.
You can say that again. This has been the best morning I've had in months. Speak of the devil, the responsible keymaker has returned.
Lisa! Lisa! Where are you? The front door is locked and your phone is on the floor, Lisa!
Hi, honey! Over here!
Lisa! Oh my gosh! Why are you over here? Are you okay? Where's your phone?
I am perfectly fine, Mark. Better than fine, actually.
But you're locked out and covered in leaves.
I was just learning how to open a different kind of door, Mark.
A different kind of what?
Come inside. We saved you a cookie.
Today's vocabulary recap. Ventilated, letting fresh air in. Dawdle, move or walk slowly. Meticulous, careful with small details. Sanctuary, safe and warm place. Fortress, very strong, locked building. Averted, stopped something bad happening. Oblivious, not noticing anything around. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.